Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you restore old YouTube layout. So these are just easy steps. So all you have to do here is to simply open your YouTube. Actually, at the old version of YouTube, you will see a smaller version of thumbnail and also video here. And other features are different too. So if you want to restore that, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Chrome Web Store or Google Web Store. And then what you're going to do next is you have to simply go to the search icon and search more. And then you have to look for YouTube Redux. Okay, or you can type Redux right here. Then you will see this YouTube Redux. Tap this one. After that, what you're going to do next is to simply add this to your Chrome. Tap this Add to Chrome button right here. And then after that, Add Extension. You will see Add Extension right here. Tap this one. And then after that, you just have to wait as it is processing. Now, what you're going to do once it's done is you have to go to extensions and you need to pin this in order for you to see it right away. So go to extensions, look for YouTube Redux, and then pin. You will see it right here. You can tap that one, or you can just simply reload everything and go back to YouTube. So once you've added this YouTube Redux to your extension, then when you refresh this, automatically you will see it differently out. So this is the old version of YouTube application, YouTube platform. As you can see, this is how you simply restore old YouTube layout. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.